I'll show you how to forward calls on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Call forwarding lets you redirect incoming calls from one number to another, which is perfect if you're switching phones or can't answer calls on your main device. Let's get started. What is call forwarding? Call forwarding allows you to automatically send incoming calls to another phone number. You can choose when and how your calls are forwarded. How to enable call forwarding on any Samsung phone. Open the phone app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Scroll down and tap Supplementary Services. Wait a few seconds while your phone loads the available options. Tap on Call Forwarding. Choose voice calls or video calls. Now you'll see 4 different options. Always Forward forwards all incoming calls to another number. Forward when busy forwards calls when you're already on another call. Forward when unanswered forwards calls if you don't pick up. Forward when unreachable forwards calls when your phone has no signal or is off. Tap on the option you want, for example, Always Forward. Manually enter the phone number or select from the contacts you want to forward calls to. Tap Turn On. That's it. Your calls will now be forwarded to the selected number. How to turn off call forwarding on any Samsung. If you want to disable it, go back to Call Forwarding Settings. Tap the option you enabled. Tap Turn Off. Now your calls will come directly to your phone again. That's how you can easily enable or disable call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series.